Looks like we're live. We're working with a new camera and the Still Mania Cooking Show, 2:14 in the morning. Jimmy does his videos a little later, like 4 o'clock in the morning and stuff like that. But what I found out is I can take these live videos and transfer them to download and put them over on YouTube. So that way I can interact with you guys and post it on YouTube. You saw me at the grocery store earlier. Yeah, you did. And I was talking to Dave Parrish that was watching. Now, what we've done is, like I said at the store, we got a little leftover chicken salad that we're going to conquer. But see, Stu cooks in advance. All right? And because there's a method to the madness. See, when I get home, I want to be able to just throw something in a bowl or a plate, throw it in the microwave or whatever. Now, what we got here is I can go in between the chicken salad and the burgers here. I got there we go. Got the bread toasted for the burgers. As you saw, I went to Walmart and I got these right here. The bacon and cheddar beef patties. All you got to do is throw them in the oven at 425. No, excuse me, under the broil for 15 minutes. Turn them over, whatever you want to do, and they're good to go. Now the oven's done all the work tonight, so what we're going to do is just show you how we put this together. Now, in the last video, I made a boo-boo. I brought a bag of seasoned potato wedges. Now, Jimmy and Dave had a little French fry war some time back. For me, give me the potato wedges, the seasoned potato wedges. All right? And we got some onion rings, Nathan's onion rings in there too. All right. And what we do is we got our bread toasted. We grab a plate, and you can fix your burger or anything however you like it here. I already got the bread done out the toaster. I did some earlier, and we're going to move these out the way without dropping them. Move that toaster. Move this over here like that. And all I do, you can put anything on a burger. All I do though for mine is just like at the Hideaway, just give me some cooked onions or whatever. This is Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Oh yeah. Oh, some got on my finger. And we put a little bit on both sides. All right. And we go over here and we grab our toast out the new toaster. Oh yeah, babe. And we shake her. Because this is about at the bottom of the barrel for this jar. And we put a little bit on each piece of bread. Oh yeah. Go on and I got introduced to Sweet Baby Ray's at the Hideaway. Oh yeah. Good stuff. Now, we're also working with a new camera. We went to the big Walmart last night And I'd seen this on the shelf, and I says, it's got to be better than fooling with the cell phone. So now here we take our burgers. Oh yeah, bring it a little bit closer. And we place our burger on our toast. Oh yeah, baby. And see, I bought 2 boxes of these at the store for backup. Put that on now. Move that around like that. And then all I do is I reach over here and I get me a couple of these delicious onion rings. Oh yeah, baby, about 4 of them do the trick. Yeah. And you can put relish. You can put whatever you want on there. But the patty has already got the bacon and cheese in it. Oh yeah, brother. Smash that rascal down. If you use hamburger buns, it may be good in this to toast your hamburger buns in the oven or something like that. So yeah, between this and the chicken salad, and let me tell you Fry Boy's little story about these seasoned potato wedges. I was a kid, and back when U-Crops was still around, and it's hard to believe they're gone. Man, one of my treats was going to the deli and getting me a chicken snack box with like 2 pieces of chicken and these seasoned potato wedges. I can just reach right in here and oh yeah, on your plate they go. And you got a quick, easy meal. Quick, easy meal ready for you. The burgers, like I said, on the broil take 15 minutes. And the fries, you do them, they the Walmart brand too. So they're $1.60 a bag. So I get 2 bags at a time. Put these in the oven on a cookie sheet at 425 for about 20 minutes. The onion rings, the Nathan onion rings. Oh yeah, baby. Can't beat an onion ring. They go in at the same temperature, 425, for 12 to 15 minutes. And they come out just fine. Now what I'm going to do here is, I don't even have a napkin. I was in a hurry to do this because it's 2:23 in the morning. But yeah, Jimmy told me, he said, if you're going to do these cooking videos, give them a taste test. All right. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to try it. I ain't got no napkin. But here we go. Look here, look here. My word. Again, put anything you want on your burger, mustard, ketchup, anything. This is just how Stu does it. And goes in like this. Oh, man. That thing is done on the inside, too. Oh, man. Great day. And I picked up this toaster at Walmart tonight, too, for $12 and change. Man, that is so good. Now, a little simple something to wash it all down. Lord have mercy. This is DJ Stu. Guys, I always felt I belonged on TV. So I'm live with y'all. Love y'all. And see you the next time at Stu's Cook Nook. And I've got my YouTube channel going on. This is going directly to that too. See you, bye.